You will hear Set A, Set B, and Set C, topics and subtopics, to hear and practice saying any tricky words. Let's start with Set A. Your principal is organising end-of-year activities for students to participate in next month. You and your team members are talking about the activities. In your discussion, you may include what activities to hold, for example, trips, school club activities. Who will run the activities? For example, instructors, students. When the activities will take place. Who will pay for the activities? And anything else that you think is important. Next. Alright, on to Set B. Your class teacher wants to start a Pets at School club. You and 3 other members of your class are talking about the club. In your discussion, you may include how the club will be run. For example, feeding pets, learning about pets. What kind of pets would be suitable? For example, mice, fish. Where the pets will be kept and who will look after them. How to get money for the pet care. And anything else that you think is important. And here's Set C. Your class teacher has asked your group to have a discussion at school to talk with others on how we can help students beat smartphone addiction. In your discussion, you may include which apps and games students are addicted to, for example, Instagram, Minecraft. Who can help them beat their addiction? For example, counselor, family. How to help stop them becoming addicted. How to raise awareness about smartphone addiction among teenagers. And anything else you think is important. Finished!